coming through here.
So here's what's going on. This bullshit here. So this piece of shit, $150 heated hose. This is the second one. The fuse keeps blowing. And this little head right here, for whatever reason. So now my entire hose is frozen. So I am cutting this piece of shit off. I cut one from an extension cord, basically. And I'm gonna splice one without a fuse into it. So I should probably turn the power off to that though. Dude, it's cold out here. Probably like 14 or 15 degrees. Oh shit. Too far. That's probably enough. My dentist said I shouldn't be doing that anymore. Good Lord. Alright. Okay. Warm electrical tape. That was dumb. Should have done those one at a time. Damn it. Oh, this is where an extra set of hands would come in handy. This tape is already frozen. That didn't last long. Let's not share this to the public YouTube lest I get crucified for my splice job here. Oh my God, it's cold! Wow, trying not to cut my finger off here. Shaking. Okay. Now let's just see if that actually works or not. I don't know. I don't actually know here. Put the breaker back on. And now I just kind of wait, I guess, for the hose to thaw out, and then perhaps the water heater to water come rushing through and blow the the weld off and water everywhere. Oh, this is awesome. All right, so the water just turned back on after a few hours of everything being frozen here. I don't see any water coming out of here. Of course, I still have the don't have the water turned off, so it's full pressure is not up against that thing. Anyway, looks like it's holding for now. I guess we could hook up the water heater again. So I'm happy right now because we got hot water. That's just cold water right there. So I'm actually pretty happy about that situation. So this is gonna hold up at least for a while. Awesome. That means I get a hot shower tonight. That's killer. So I'm actually pretty happy. I was not happy earlier because of the hose situation freezing up on me. But we have hot water, so that's good. We're gonna roll with it.